Hello, today we learn how to write the equation of a quadratic function in factored form from a graph which is given to us. So here we have been provided with a graph and we'll try to write the equation of this quadratic function. We know it is quadratic because we have the parabola, and from here to write the equation in factored form, what we look at is, have we been given the x-intercepts? Yes. So this and this are the two x-intercepts. So one value of the x-intercept is 4, 0 and the other one is 10, 0. So to start with, we know that the factored form of a quadratic function is y is equal to a x minus r multiplied by x minus s, where r and s are the x-intercepts. And because we've been given the x-intercepts 4 and 10, so let us first put these into the equation over here. So we'll replace r and s by the two x-intercepts. So we get this equation as y is equal to a x minus 4 and x minus 10. Now the only thing which we need in this quadratic equation is the value of a, and to get the value of a, now we need to have any other point on the graph except for the two x-intercepts which we've already used in the equation. So we can use this point or use this point, like any other perfect point actually we can pick. So or we can use this point. So what are we going to do is we are going to use this point, and this, the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is -20. So here the x value and the y value of this point we are going to substitute in our equation, the factored form. So we get y, which is -20, is equal to a x minus 4. So x is 0, subtract 4, and 0 subtract 10. Now we have -20 is equal to a. 0 subtract 4 is -4. 0 subtract 10 is -10. So -20 is equal to a times -4 times -10 is 40. And to find the value of a, we'll divide both the sides by a 40. So this becomes -20 divided by 40. So here we get the value of a as -1/2. So now we'll put this value of a back into our equation, the factored form, and we can write this now as y is equal to -1/2 x minus 4 times x minus 10. So this is the equation in the factored form for this given graph. I hope you understood the process. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.